Welcome back. Before we start today, a quick recap of where Panda is right now. Episode 1, Panda discovered 4 bamboo thieves stealing from his pile every month. He learned the bamboo split, the 50-30-20 rule, and for the first time in his panda life, he had a real plan for his bamboo. Episode 2, Panda got his first borrow card. He thought it was free bamboo. It was not. He learned how credit cards work, how interest eats your bamboo quietly, and the 3 rules that make the borrow card work for you instead of against you. Now, Episode 3. It is April. Panda is sitting in his cave. Everything is going well. Bamboo split is working. Borrow card is under control. Panda trust number is climbing. Then, there is a knock at the door. Panda opens it. Standing outside is the largest, most serious-looking bear Panda has ever seen. He is wearing a government uniform. He is holding a very thick clipboard, and he is looking at Panda with the kind of expression that says, "I am not here to be your friend." The bear says one thing. "It is tax season, Panda. I am here for my bamboo." This is the bamboo tax bear. In the real world, he works for the IRS, and today, Panda is going to understand exactly what taxes are, how they work, and how to make sure the bamboo tax bear does not take a single extra stick more than he is supposed to. Let us go. First, what even are taxes, and why does the bamboo tax bear exist? This is a fair question. Panda works hard for his bamboo, so why does a large bear in a government uniform get to take some of it? Here's the simple answer. The Pandaverse needs things: roads for the bamboo bus to drive on, schools where young pandas learn, hospitals when pandas get sick, fire pandas for when caves catch fire, police pandas for when bamboo gets stolen. All of these things cost bamboo, a lot of bamboo, more than any one panda can pay for alone. So every panda in the Pandaverse chips in a little every month from every paycheck, and that bamboo goes into one big pile that pays for everything everyone shares. That is taxes. It's not the bamboo tax bear being greedy, it's everyone paying a small share so that big things are possible for all pandas. Okay, now that we understand why, let us understand how. Panda works at the bamboo factory. Mr. Chubsworth pays him every month. But here's something Panda noticed on his very first paycheck. The paycheck said he earned 100 bamboo sticks, but only 78 sticks actually arrived in his pile. 22 sticks were already gone before Panda even touched the money. Panda stared at this for a long time. Where did 22 sticks go? The answer is they went to taxes, automatically, before Panda ever saw the money. This is called withholding. The bamboo factory takes the tax bamboo out of Panda's paycheck every single month and sends it directly to the bamboo tax bear. Panda never even touches it. This is actually a good system because it means Panda never has to write one giant painful check to the government at the end of the year. It happens in small amounts every month automatically. But here's the important thing to understand. Those 22 sticks went to pay for several different things, not just one. Let us break them down.
The first chunk, federal income tax. This goes to the national Pandaverse government. Roads, defense, big national programs. About 12 sticks out of Panda's 22 went here. The exact amount depends on how much Panda earns. More bamboo earned, higher percentage taken. Less bamboo earned, lower percentage taken. This is called a progressive tax. The more you make, the more you pay, but only on the extra amount above each level, not on everything. We will explain that more in a minute. It is one of the most misunderstood things in all of Panda finance. The second chunk, FICA. This is a word that sounds scary. It stands for Federal Insurance Contributions Act, but Panda does not need to remember that. He just needs to know what it pays for. FICA splits into two parts. Social Security, about 6.2 sticks out of every 100. This goes into a big bamboo pot that pays retired pandas and pandas who cannot work due to disability. When Panda is old and stops working one day, this pot will send him bamboo every month. Medicare, about 1.45 sticks out of every 100. This pays for health care for older pandas and pandas with certain conditions. Combined, about 7.65 sticks out of every 100 goes to FICA. Panda cannot avoid this one. Every working panda pays it, no exceptions. The third chunk, state income tax. This depends on where Panda lives. Some Pandaverse states take an extra 3 to 5 sticks for state-level programs. Schools, local roads, state parks where pandas relax on weekends. Some states, like the ones in Texas, Florida, and a few others, take 0. No state income tax at all. Pandas in those states keep a few extra sticks every month. Panda lives in a state that takes 3 sticks, so that comes out too. Add it all together. Federal income tax, 12 sticks. FICA, 7.65 sticks. State tax, 3 sticks. That's about 22 sticks, which is exactly the gap between what Mr. Chubsworth paid Panda and what actually landed in Panda's bamboo pile. Mystery solved. Panda did not lose 22 sticks. They went to specific places, real places, and now Panda knows exactly where. Now, here's the part that confuses almost every panda. Tax brackets. Panda earns 100 bamboo a month. That's 1,200 bamboo a year. Panda hears that the top federal tax rate is 37%. Panda panics. 37% of 1,200 is 444 sticks. That's almost half of everything Panda earns. But this is completely wrong, and this misunderstanding causes pandas enormous, unnecessary stress. Here's how tax brackets actually work. The government splits pandas' bamboo into layers, like a bamboo layer cake. The first layer, the bottom portion of income, is taxed at the lowest rate. In the real US, that's 10%. The second layer, the next portion, is taxed at 12%. The third layer, 22%. And so on, up to 37%, but only on bamboo earned above a very high amount. So if Panda earns 1,200 sticks a year, he's only in the lower tax brackets. The 37% rate doesn't touch a single one of his sticks. The key point, your tax bracket is not applied to all your bamboo, only to the bamboo in that layer. Most working pandas are in the 10, 12, or 22% federal brackets, not 37, not even close. Now Panda can breathe.
Okay, so taxes are happening. The bamboo tax bear is real. The bamboo is leaving. But here is the good news. There are legal ways to give the bamboo tax bear fewer sticks. The government actually allows this. They call them deductions. A deduction is a portion of Panda's bamboo that the government agrees not to tax. The simplest one is called the standard deduction. Every panda in the Pandaverse gets this automatically. In the real USA, it is about $14,600 for a single person in 2024. That means the first $14,600 Panda earns is not taxed at all. On top of that, there are other deductions for things like student loan interest, contributions to a retirement account, health insurance payments, and more. Every deduction means fewer sticks going to the taxpayer. Panda does not need to know every single deduction right now. That is for a more advanced episode. But the important thing to know today is this. The bamboo taxpayer only takes what he is legally supposed to take. And smart pandas make sure that number is as small as legally possible. Now, the tax refund. Every spring, pandas across the Pandaverse check their mailboxes and phones excitedly, because some of them are getting a tax refund. A refund means the bamboo tax bear is sending bamboo back to Panda. This feels amazing, like a bonus, like free bamboo falling from the sky. But Panda, here is the truth. A tax refund is not free bamboo. It is your bamboo coming back to you. Remember how the bamboo factory took those 22 sticks out of Panda's paycheck every month? Sometimes they take out a little too much, more than Panda actually owes. At the end of the year, the government does the final math, and if too much was taken, they send the extra back. That is the refund. It is not a gift. It is not a bonus. It is the bamboo taxpayer returning bamboo he took but did not need. In fact, some Panda financial experts say getting a big refund is not a good sign. It means you gave the government an interest-free loan all year. You could have had that bamboo in your pocket the whole time, growing in your savings. A small refund, or even owing a tiny amount, actually means your withholding was more accurate, which is fine. Either way, if you do get a refund, do not spend it on the shiny bamboo problem. Put it in the future bamboo jar. Panda knows this now. The last thing Panda needs to know today is about two different kinds of working pandas. Kind 1, the employee panda. This is Panda at the bamboo factory. Mr. Chubsworth handles everything. Taxes come out automatically. Panda gets a document called a W-2 at the end of the year that shows exactly how much he earned and how much was taken. Filing taxes is fairly simple for employee panda. Kind 2, the freelance panda. This is a panda who works for himself. Maybe he sells handmade bamboo crafts. Maybe he does bamboo delivery on weekends. Nobody takes taxes out of his payments automatically. Freelance panda gets a document called a 1099 instead of a W-2. And here is the important part. Freelance panda has to pay his own taxes 4 times a year in advance. This is called quarterly estimated taxes. If freelance panda forgets to do this, the bamboo tax bear arrives at the end of the year with a very large, very unpleasant bill, plus penalties. If you do any freelance work, babysitting pandas, selling things online, driving for a bamboo rideshare app, you are a freelance panda for that income. Set aside about 25 to 30% of every payment you receive. Put it in a separate jar. Do not touch it. That's the bamboo taxpayer. Let's bring it all together. Taxes are not the enemy. They are the shared bamboo that keeps the Pandaverse running. Here is what Panda knows now. Withholding. Taxes leave your paycheck automatically every month. This is normal and expected. The 3 main taxes: federal income tax, FICA for Social Security and Medicare, and state income tax depending on where you live. Brackets. You are not taxed at your highest rate on all your income, only on the bamboo in that layer. Most pandas pay far less than they fear. Deductions. Legal ways to reduce how much bamboo the taxpayer takes. The standard deduction alone protects a large chunk. Tax refund. Not free money. Your own bamboo coming back. A small refund is fine. A huge refund means you gave the government a free loan all year. W-2 versus 1099. Employee versus freelancer. If you have any freelance income, save about 25 to 30% separately for taxes. The bamboo taxpayer is large. He is serious. He is not going away. But now Panda understands him, and an understood bear is a much less scary bear. Next episode, Panda hears 2 words that change his life. Compound interest. A friend tells Panda that if he plants just a few bamboo sticks in the right place and leaves them alone, they will grow into a forest by themselves while Panda sleeps. Panda does not believe this. Panda is about to be very pleasantly surprised. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Hit the like button if the bamboo tax bear makes a little more sense now. And if you have a friend who has absolutely no idea how taxes work, send them this video. They've been confused long enough. See you next time.